how to enable autosave in Apple Notes. The good news is that Apple Notes already saves your changes automatically, so there's no setting you need to turn on. First, open the Apple Notes on your iPhone. Create a new note by tapping the Compose button, or open an existing note. Start typing, adding a checklist, inserting photos, or making any edits you want. As you work, Apple Notes automatically saves every change in the background. There's no save button to press. When you're finished, simply tap the back button to return to your folders or close the app. Your changes will already be saved. If you want your notes to be available on all your Apple devices, then open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID, then tap on iCloud. Tap on Show All and select Notes, and make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. And that's it. Apple Notes automatically saves your work, so you never have to worry about manually saving your notes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.